Hey guys, it's Saturday today and I just got my hair did. As you can see, I hope you guys can see it. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. I like it, I like it, I really, really like it. But yeah, it's currently, I hope you guys can see. Oh no. It's currently 18 past 1. Couldn't tell my time there for a second. And mom and I are about to go grocery shopping and run a few errands. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I might just bake today. Who knows? We'll see how that goes. But yeah, hope you guys come along with me. Let's go. Why are you guys waiting? Come, let's go. Hey peeps, so we just got back from shopping and yeah, I then didn't manage to vlog at Pick n Pay because there was just a lot that was going on. Like, it was just so hectic in Pick n Pay. I was just like, yo, let me focus on what I came to get here, and then I'll talk to you guys once I get back home. So my apologies for that, but yeah, I'm now about to actually bake.
Meanwhile,
Right, so guys, I have decided to bake a banana loaf and cupcakes. So I'm gonna bring out the recipes and start baking. I've actually been like lounging around, to be fair with you, because like I mentioned earlier, I've been feeling blah. But we cannot let that defeat us, so let's start baking. Guys, just as a disclaimer, I am not a baker. Just to follow all my instructions. Like, yeah, don't come for me, please. So I'm now taking my tins and putting the banana loaf inside, but I wanted to put them in here initially, but I don't think they're gonna fit. So I'm going to take another tin. Let's see. I'm going to try put some of it in here and then the remaining ones in here. So let's see how that works out. So I'm now going to pour some of the batter into the one baking tin. I actually don't know how much I'm supposed to put. It's like I think it's a guesswork here because I've never actually baked a banana loaf before. Can you believe it? I've baked cupcakes, but I've never done a banana loaf. Sorry, not cake. A banana loaf. Okay, so let's spread this out. So guys, I've just put the banana loaf in the oven and I've just cleaned up the stuff that I did for the banana loaf, blah blah blah. So yeah, in the meantime, whilst I wait for the banana loaf to finish baking, I'm going to look for a recipe for cupcakes. I've been doing cupcakes for a while, but I haven't perfected them yet. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that and then also feed the dogs in the meantime, and yeah. You guys, I'm actually really proud with how this banana loaf turned out. I like it. I like it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the beauty of this banana loaf. So guys, I have finally finished baking. I have no idea what time it is. What time is it? It's 8:30 currently, and I think I started baking at 4:30. And then I took a break to eat dinner. I am so tired, so tired. But here is the end results. I then got lazy to finish icing the cupcakes and stuff. And I don't have the, what do you call it? That thing that, I hope you understand what I'm saying. The thing that you put your icing in and then you squeeze it out. I don't have it, so I almost had to, not even almost, I had to freestyle the cupcakes. But the cupcakes didn't come out the greatest, to be fair with you. And don't judge me. But you saw the banana bread already. And then these are the cupcakes that I made. If you can see. Like I'm saying, I had to freestyle. So no judgment here. These are more cupcakes here. And then this is cupcake batter. But then I put it in like a tin. So yeah, so that's basically my baking today. It's actually pretty good though, so I'm proud of myself. But anyways, I'm actually gonna go and take a bath. I need a bath to relax as much as I'm tired, but I'm sure after I'm done bathing I'm gonna sleep like a baby because I got woken up really early today. So yeah, so I'm going to end the vlog right here. I'm actually about to go to bed because my day exhausted me way more than I expected it to. I don't know why that is, but yeah, I'm gonna have an early night, and I hope you guys have had a wonderful Saturday. And thank you so much for tuning into this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Lots of love from me. Bye. Mwah.